Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. I know lots of you ladies will be getting glammed up for that special night. Whatever it is that you guys decide to do, this makeup tutorial is going to be specifically for my girls who are broke. Okay sis? All my girls who have struggling pockets right now, it's okay, we all know the struggle and we've all been there, like myself. So this is going to be a nice natural looking makeup look. I'm going to show you guys how to slay Valentine's Day without breaking the bank. So if you guys want to see, keep on watching. Starting off with the brows as always, I'm going to be filling them in. And I'm actually brushing up with the end of my mascara, like an old mascara wand. I don't even have a real spoolie, guys. This is how baroque a girl is, okay? The pencil that I'm using is from a beauty supply store, and it only cost me $100. If you are in the US, it's going to be like $1 or, you know, less than that, a couple cents. But this fills in the brows perfectly, so it really didn't even matter how much it actually cost because it works like a dream. So I'm just defining my arch. I'm gonna brush that out with the spoolie some more and then clean up with the infamous LA Girl Pro Concealer. These concealers are awesome. They're very affordable, easy to source, and they blend out like butter on your skin. I'm just gonna highlight my brows and then blend that out. Next, moving on to priming the eyes, I'm using the Jordana Eye Primer Eyeshadow Base in the color number 1. These primers are really good and they work perfectly for brighter colors. As you guys can see, they look a lot like a paint pot, so that makes it really nice to pop on some really bright colors if you want. I'm going into the Ultimate Broke Girl palette right now, which is from Santee. This is the Santee Adorable Beauty Secrets palette. Pretty much anything from Santee is very affordable. I'm taking this medium brown and that is going to be my very first transition color. After building that up in my crease, I'm gonna also pack that color onto my lid. And then taking the silver color, this was totally unnecessary guys, because in the end I ended up getting rid of that silver, but I wanted it to look a bit different. So I'm using this e.l.f. Duo, the lighter part, to set my brow bone. It does look crazy, but I'm gonna go in and just blend everything together afterwards. e.l.f. is also a nice affordable brand that is also easy to source in case you're looking for affordable brands to buy from. Using that black, I'm going to take that into the crease to deepen the look, make it a little bit darker and a little bit more seductive. Of course, putting in that work to blend it out, girl. And this is a $1 bronzer, guys. This is from LA Colors. It's a bronzer called Bronze Glow. I'm going to try to quote some prices down below so you guys can know what kind of prices you're looking at, but I'm applying that all over my lid and also on my brow bone. Now for liquid liner, I'm using this e.l.f. liquid liner. These liners are very pigmented. The brush is very precise, so it makes it easy to get the perfect winged liner. For mascara, I am using the KleanKolor Girl Talk mascara. These are so cheap. The formula is a bit runny, so I do recommend putting it on under the fan, but believe me, after you apply them, your lashes will look so bomb. Next, moving on to priming the face, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. An easy primer to find, pretty affordable, and it also works very well. For foundation today, I'm using the LoReal True Match, my go-to skin-like foundation. Very affordable, I would say, in terms of how much other foundations cost. So I'm just blending that into my skin, and that is a beauty blender sponge, guys, not even the real beauty blender. Can you believe that? And that only cost me $600. So a little bit over $5, or maybe under $5 if you're in the US. I highlighted with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. Of course, it blends into the skin like butter, told you guys. I'm stippling the product in with that sponge, and as I said guys, that sponge is the dupe for the beauty blender. It's not even the real thing. Imagine that. Next, I'm going to set all that work with my favorite powder, which is a cheapie. It's the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. And these sponges from Anina. It's a 12-pack. Guys, I've been raving over them. They're so cute. This one is shaped like a heart. Look at that. And I actually got these in a regular beauty supply store, girl. You just gotta find the bargains, okay? I'm using that to just press that powder in and set my face. Next, using the Milani Highlight and Contour Duo, I'm going to use the contour side to chisel down my face and give me more of a bronzed look. You know, especially if you have a round ass face like your girl, you need to do this step. I'm just going to blend that out with the round side of the sponge. And by the way, the shade is in Dark Deep. Next, I'm just going to dust away all that excess baking powder. All that you need is already melted into the skin, but I'm going to be setting my face with this cheap ass powder, guys. This is like $150 if you're in Jamaica, and it's my favorite. This is like the best powder I've ever used, and it's the Prisma pressed powder. All product details will be down below in the description bar. Next, I'm going back into that palette and I'm using that plum color to kind of set my contour and to act as a blusher at the same time. Next, I'm going to spray some setting spray onto my blending brush, and I'm going to use that to apply some bronzer to my face, the same bronzer I applied on my lids. Can you guys see that? Crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that. Very intense, and it's only $1. Get your life. So I'm just going to use that highlighter to glow up my face. Yes, girl, yes. If you're an official cheapie, who needs a lip liner when you have your brow pencil, okay? Just pull that out and use it as your lip liner. So you guys will see me lining with the same brown pencil that I used for my brows, girl. And it gives me a nice outline, something very natural looking. And I'm going in the middle with this lipstick from Jordana. It's from their Modern Matte collection, and the color is called... I totally forgot, guys, but the name will be down below in the description bar. But I'm applying that, and on top I'm going over with a gloss from Aphorism, and this gloss has no name. That's how cheap it is. So yeah, I'm just applying that all over the lips. Finishing off the face with some setting spray. This is the Eligo Pro setting spray, another product that is very easy to find and works amazing. So after spraying that all over the face, I'm going to allow that to dry, and this is the completed look. Something very simple. I mean, anybody can recreate this look, guys, and it looks natural, and bae won't complain because your face won't look caked, okay, girl? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and share this with a girlfriend. All right, hit the subscribe button, follow me on all my social media platforms. The links will be in the description bar. Thanks guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.